channel Networking with Shabby. So in this video we are going to learn about spanning tree protocol, which is also called as STP in Cisco Packet Tracer app. So we are using two switch for the explanation. Uh, I will show you simple network with two switches, how loops are detected, how the root bridge is selected, and all necessary commands. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to take two switches, this one and this. Now we will use the redundancy by connecting with two cables. So we are using two cables for redundancy. If the one cable is failed, another one is ready to communicate. So why we use spanning tree protocol? Suppose this creates a layer 2 loop. Spanning tree automatically block one port to avoid broadcast storms. Suppose we send data from here to here, so it will go here, then come back to this switch. It will not forward it. So that's why we are using spanning tree protocol to avoid that loop. So we can see here this port is blocked automatically. Now we will do some basic configuration in switch 1. First of all, open the CLI of switch 1, enter, enable, go to the config terminal. In config terminal, first of all you will give the host name to the switch 1. Host name SW1. Then we will configure the we will start the spanning tree. Default VLAN is 1. Enter. So it's not taking. Spanning tree VLAN 1. First we have to check it's already configured or not. Exit, enter, show spanning tree. So we can see here it's automatically configured because we use only two switches. There is no user like a computer laptop. So you can see here this is a default priority 32769 bridge ID, and we can also see gig gig 2 gig 1 is a designated port. Now we will give the priority to this one. Config terminal, spanning tree VLAN 1, priority 4096. When we put here the lowest number, so it will become a root bridge. Enter. Now we will see show spanning tree protocol. First of all, exit, show spanning tree. So we can see here root ID will priority will give here 4097. For a better clarification, we will connect users like CPU and laptop. sorry, CPU not. We'll connect two pieces. Now we will try to ping. Assign the IP to the desktops. 192.168.10.1. Subnet mask. There is no need of gateway. Same here. Desktop 192.168.10.2. Now we will try to ping. Let's check. Ping 192.168.10.2. Enter. So you can see here it's going to ping here. Now how the spanning tree works. First of all, we will disable the spanning tree here. Go to this. Config terminal. No spanning tree. VLAN 1. Also here enable config terminal. No spanning tree for VLAN 1. Now we will see here all the ports got green, so it will in a loop. When we ping from here, like I will show you real time simulation. Let's try to ping. Now you can see here, minimize this. Now packet is going from PC to switch 1, then see it's going to switch 2, then it is coming back from switch 2 to switch 1. So it will create a loop. It will not forward the packet here, but didn't receive back from here to here. So that's why we using the spanning tree protocol to block this port. Let's try to ping. Now we will enable the spanning tree. Spanning tree VLAN 1. So spanning tree is enabled. Now we will ping from here to here. You can see. Also enable here. Spanning tree VLAN 1. So you can see this port is blocked. Now now we will try to ping the packet from switch PC0 to PC1. Now it's sending the packet and receiving the packet from that PC. So let's check real simulation. ping. Let's check. Now it will not create a loop. It will send the packet and receive the packet. Now it will go to the PC1. So it will send properly. Now received back from PC1 to PC0. So this is the use of spanning tree. And suppose this one cable is broken. So it will become active because that cable is broken. So this will automatically become active. Now ping from here. So that's why we use the spanning tree in redundancy. It will take some time. Now you can see it's pinging. So this is the use of spanning tree protocol. When the one cable is got damaged, another one is ready to work. While two cables are working, it will block one port. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Cisco and networking tutorials. Thanks for watching.